This video shows how to buy shares of Sernova Biotherapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biotech company. Sernova trades on Xetra under the ticker PSH0.DE. This guide is educational and not financial advice. You will need a broker to place the trade, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PSH0.DE to locate the Sernova listing. Confirm you select the Xetra listed share to avoid similarly named securities. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement. Double-check the page shows Sernova Biotherapeutics Inc. on Xetra so you have the correct stock. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to top up before final confirmation. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can track it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.